Here you are making the same mistake again and again. Either you realize it or not, you prevent yourself from achieving financial success. But that's about to change because after watching this video, you will be able to create your own fortune, and I will break down the path on how you can achieve your first $10,000 in the next 6 months. Keep watching because every point in this video is related to each other, and you won't be able to complete it by skipping these steps. I need to tell you the truth, you are the only one holding yourself. It's not the government, it's not your family background, it's not your school. The fact that you found this video is proof that you can find the information you need. And any other course or tools you pick will only work if you are ready to change yourself. So the number one thing that is holding you back is called procrastination. We all have been there before. But once you realize how easy it is to beat procrastination, you will be amazed at how far you can go. You need to understand first that your brain and your mind is the only thing controlling your hands, legs, and your body. How do I stop smoking? By not letting your hands pick and lit a cigarette. That's how easy the answer is. But the hardest part is to fight the battle inside your head. This is the same on how you can defeat the procrastination inside you. Your brain is full of distractions that lead you farther from your goals. Now, you need to break down your working behavior. What are the tasks that need to be done? Which tasks took the shortest time for you to complete? After making these lists, focus and accomplish the shortest tasks first, where you don't need hours or days to complete it. The one that only took you a few minutes to complete. Because by doing this, you start building a momentum to start doing the bigger tasks. Now for doing the bigger tasks, when you find yourself starting to be distracted by others. You can use the techniques that are used by professional fighters. Basically, it's taking a quick rest, but still in training mode. So if you are working on your laptop at your desk, the next time you catch distraction, you can stop for a while. But don't leave your desk. Keep sitting in front of your laptop and keep your eyes on your screen for a minute. This might sound weird, but try and see it for yourself. Okay, so we know how to beat procrastination. The next one is handling your consumption habits. If you want to attract more money, you need to produce more than you consume. I know we use social media very often, but how does it compare between you consuming the content and you producing the content? Or how often do you go on buying things that you really don't need at that point? If you keep doing these things, it will hold you from creating your wealth. If you can't decide if you really need some things or not before you buy it, wait till 3 weeks later. If you're doing fine without those things, then you don't actually need to buy it. The other way is to borrow it. And to decide if you need it or not is quite easy. If you borrow something more than 3 times in a week, then you actually need to buy it. If you are currently stuck in this consumption habit, it is very important to fix it quickly. You don't want to get stuck in what we call the more you earn, the more you spend cycle. You will never get ahead because the money you get is used for your new lifestyle, which may be higher to maintain. And to fix it, I'll bring you the next steps, which is financial education. Understanding how money works will attract more money. It's like fishing. If you understand what type of bait is best to catch certain types of fish, or where's the best spot to fish, you will get the fish. That's why you need to take control of your financial education. Because if you don't, you will always be under someone else's control. Take a few hours every day just to study finance. Any platform of your choice is all right, as long as you can be better every single day. A lot of these theories say you only need 20 minutes every day to learn to increase your knowledge. Why? Why 20 minutes? What are you going to do for the rest of your day? It doesn't work like that. The more you put effort into it, the more you put quality time into it. It will benefit you in the best way you could ever imagine. Elon Musk is the richest and smartest man on the planet, and he still took hours every single day to work and learn. Why does someone think 20 minutes a day is enough while they're nowhere near Elon's success? That's why you need to get out of your comfort zone. Yes, this is the main boss you need to defeat for you to be able to reach your goals. The comfort zone is an illusion where it keeps you exactly where you are. The point of getting success is taking you somewhere else, and you will not be able to move when you chain yourself in the comfort zone. If you avoid challenges or new opportunities, it means you're avoiding growth. Instead of focusing on fear of failure, write down what could happen if you take the risk. What are the good things that will happen? What are the worst things that could happen? Okay, it's quite easy to imagine the good things. So let's focus on the worst things that could happen. Simple 3 steps: write down the risk you will take. What are the worst scenarios? How do you recover from it? For example, you pitch your business in Shark Tank. The worst thing that could happen? You get rejected and get humiliated. The way you recover is by learning about their concern and finding a way to fill that hole. Find another partner to perfect your business and start again. When you start to get used to it, the confidence will be born inside you, and the risk that you feared before doesn't look that scary anymore. It all starts with you. You will not find a billionaire randomly helping you. No one will help you unless you help yourself first. Keep improving yourself and you can see the results coming your way.